Rich. I am a master's student at South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. I will be graduating in May of 2012. And my research for my thesis is study for rain-induced erosion in the Badlands. And what we have is we started with the Russell, which is the revised universal soil loss equation, and it's mainly used in agriculture. And from that equation, we've pulled the R factor, which is the rainfall and runoff factor. And we are using an optical distrometer to measure raindrop sizes and velocities. Raw data, very high resolution, and we're using that data to calculate our R factor, which is currently calculated using rain gauge data by itself. And we're using some methods and observations based on Pitana 2010. We're calculating kinetic energy and intensities based on the raw data from the parcel. And we have found that in calculating your intensity value, if you use the raw parcel data by itself, there is a split in the data. And if you calculate the intensity using velocities calculated using Atlas 1973, that you have a very nice distribution of the data, and it fits the three-parameter exponential model, and you get your coefficients A, B, and C.